Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you how to play an F major open chord. Now, a major chord is made up of your first, third, and fifth. Now, for F, that would mean F, A, and C. Now, for A, we know that the fifth string, open, is an A note. So we're going to take that note and build the F major chord around it. That's really the only open note in the F major chord. But what we can do is, for this chord, we can use our thumb to play that bass note. Now, this is what the F major chord looks like and sounds like. Now, for this chord on the sixth string, that bass note, we can use our thumb on that sixth string first fret, and I'm going to play that F note. Then on the fifth string, we're just going to play that A note there by playing that fifth string open. And then on the fourth string with a ring finger, we'll place it on the third fret, the fourth string, to play that F note. Then on the third string with the middle finger, we'll place it right there on the second fret to play that A note. Then, with your index finger on the second string, place it on the first fret to play the C note. That first string, we're just going to mute it. You could roll down that index finger and also play that F on that first string, but I find it easier, since we're already hitting the F note a few times already in this chord when we're playing it, I find it easier just to mute that first string. So when I place my index finger on that C note on the second string, I'm just going to gently touch that first string to mute it. Now when I play it all together, this is what it sounds like and looks like. That's your F major open chord, a fun chord to play when you're playing acoustic and rhythm guitar. Hope you enjoyed the video and keep on jamming.